Hi, in this video we will take a look at Kafka Publish in Amplify Fusion. This is a continuation from the last video, which is Hello Kafka Consumer. So we already know how to create a Kafka connection and how to consume messages on a topic. And recall we're using the Upstash Kafka instance, and it has a feature where I could view messages on a topic that are being sent, so we'll leverage that. And let's create a test integration. Hello Kafka Publish. And we'll trigger this with a scheduler, so I could use the test button. I'll put 60 seconds, but we're never going to activate this, so it doesn't matter. And now we can add a Kafka Publisher to our canvas. So I've got Kafka, here's all the things I can do, and Publish is one of them. Let me expand the panel here. We'll grab our Kafka connection from the last video, and let's expand this. And you see the topic name could come from a variable, but we're going to hard code it to test topic. And this is the topic, test topic. And it's also the topic that my consumer is listening on. So that's that. And let's open up the messages document array, and let's put a value in here. We'll just send one message, and we will say hello Kafka, hello from Kafka Publisher. Okay, so we'll save this. Let's save that, and let's test this. Again, there's no messages here, and let's test it. All right, that's succeeded. And if I look here at my Kafka Publish, that was the message that I published. Oh, it doesn't show the message, okay. Well, there it is. Hello from Kafka Publisher. I can see the message that I published over here, though. This just told me the timestamp and the offset for that 0th message. Also, if we come here, we're in the monitor. If we go to the transaction list, I can see my Kafka consumer also triggered because there was a message on that topic, and I left it running. And if I look at Kafka consume, I can see hello from Kafka Publisher. So in this video, we saw how we can publish messages to a Kafka topic, and we looked at a couple ways to seeing that message on the topic. One inside of the Upstash Kafka tenant, and then we also had our Kafka consumer running from our last video, so it was able to receive that message. Thank you.